Kidney failure is pretty common and becoming commoner because of several things. The one is the increase in diabetes and high blood pressure, the issue of HIV infection. So all of those things lead to increased kidney disease in the country, and obviously because of a lack of primary health care, poor follow-up, and patients not being able to be treated adequately, many of those people will progress towards kidney failure. Sometimes they're not able to access dialysis in the public sector. Now, the public sector has a very limited amount of patients where they're able to do dialysis for or provide renal replacement therapy, and because of that they've had to ration, they've had to restrict the access to that service. What happens is that these people are then sent home to die. They're sent home and told that they cannot get access to dialysis, and that the understanding is that they will gradually or suddenly die.
I was diagnosed with 5th stage renal failure. That's a kidney failure in 2015. In July, I was rushed to Helen Joseph. After 2 weeks of admission, I was diagnosed with the kidney failure, and I was told, it's even written on my file, that they cannot assist me because of my age and I don't live in the area. So I basically was sent home to fend for myself. And eventually one doctor gave me a referral letter to go to Bara. I did go to Bara, stayed for 2 days, and that too, I didn't have a bed. I slept on a wheelchair for 2 nights. There I was on a waiting list, and I was number 1,000 something. From July till before I could get dialyzed, I was already finished. I was on my knees. I couldn't walk. I used to crawl. I was blown up so badly. Like the water was just boiling up into my lung. I went back to Helen Joseph. They said there's nothing they can do for me because regarding my kidney. I am so grateful to Sultan. Bahu, who has helped me a lot. They have given me a new life. It's thanks to them that I can walk, I can do things for myself. And I'm actually grateful for what they've done for me.
I was diagnosed with kidney failure 2 years ago. I've been a patient of the Baragwanath Hospital. Obviously, in the 2 years, I was just given medication and checkup, blood tests, and nothing concrete came out of that. And until this year, 3 months ago, they mentioned to me that I would need dialysis because my kidneys were 10%. I asked them, can you offer me dialysis? And they mentioned, we have a 5-year waiting period and we can't get you in, and you need dialysis straight away, and you have to go look for it privately. Without the help of Sultan Bahu, I don't know what I would have done.
The Sultan Bahu Trust has been involved in helping patients to sort of fill this gap where they're not able to get access to dialysis in the state. And obviously it's an issue which is very close to their heart and which they've been working very hard on. And over the past 5 or 6 years, they've really helped many patients.
Sultan Bahu maintained the payment of my dialysis at the Donald Gordon. The clinic at Omondo, nevertheless, when brother Muhammad Dinat passed on, the clinic could not carry on because he was also raising funds in order to keep it afloat. But when he passed away, so the clinic closed. So me and few other patients were transferred to Donald Gordon Hospital. And then the Sultan Bahu carried on, as I say, from 2006 up to 2015. Alhamdulillah. Had it not been to Sultan Bahu, I don't think I would be alive today to make the video. Subhanallah.
To the viewers that are watching this program, I would stress and ask them to please support the cause. Sultan Bahu is doing a fantastic job.
I say to the viewers, those open your hearts and give openly so that the Sultan Bahu can be able to keep afloat and to help humanity.
I would like to request to the viewers out there to please donate to organizations like Sultan Bahu, who has helped a lot of people. It's thanks to them, they have given people new lives. People that couldn't see, that can see now. People like me that couldn't walk, can walk now. So please donate to Sultan Bahu. They are doing a wonderful job to the community out there. It's not just Muslims they help all nations.